Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Course for Beginners. So for you to make money online, you need to have the right skills in order to make money. So most people fail to make money online because they just come and join a platform without having the right skills. So that's why I recommend for you to take an affiliate marketing course and learn all the skills that you are required to have in order to make money online. I'm here to guide you in the implementation process until you make your first income online. So if you are interested in the affiliate marketing course, just click the button below and you will be taken through the process in which you can access the course. In case you face any difficulty, just reach out to me and I'll be ready to help you.